Construction management's the overseeing of a job or jobs to where you're managing to make sure everything is on schedule, what is missing, what is supposed to be there, and figure out any and do the problem solving for anything that's wrong.
If I were to describe this program, it's really fun, it's very interactive. You learn a lot, not only in construction management, but on a day-to-day basis, like things you need to know. Like if you're going out to buy a house, you know what to look for, you know what needs to be done.
I've got a set competencies that they're supposed to go through to where they learn how somebody would do something out on the job. They need to know what the person that's working on the job has to go through to complete their task. That is the only way you get any respect in this business, is you know what the person that's doing the job has to do. So they've got to complete the competencies, plus we do drawing programs, AutoCAD, soft plan. We also do a 3D drawing program, which is ArtCam, which teaches them how to use the CNC.
What I want to get out of this program is enough knowledge to where I can just go to work right out of high school and make a decent amount of money. This is what I want to do when I'm older, just so we get some early knowledge.
What I hope to get out of this program was a basic knowledge of, management, construction. A lot of it is critical thinking.
You come in, you have your competencies, you can have a lot of fun, you learn. You've got a chance once you complete your competencies, which will take you any place from 1 semester to 2 years. The people get done sooner, have a chance to build projects to where they go out and they decide what they want to do, they develop the plans for it, they do all the estimating for it, they do it just like they'd be running a project. Assemble all the materials and build it.
Some of the projects that I've been a part of is like right now we're building a wall, an 8x8 wall, and we've done cutting boards, we've done a couple other things. One's coming up is we're going to be doing cabinets for another school, so that's going to be fun.
I built a bench, like a workbench. I built a cutting board.
A few years ago we had some people that built gun cabinets, bread boxes, end tables, that type of thing. They can do a lot of different items that they can be built.
What I like about the environment is everything's real positive. Our teacher, he does whatever he can to help us without telling us the answer. All the other students, they help you out too, and it's just real positive. There's no negative.
I'd say the biggest benefit is that you learn a lot of critical thinking to where you learn how to figure out how you're going to solve a problem. So everyday life you have problems of different sorts. When you run into a problem, how are you going to resolve that problem and move on with it? And that's what construction management is. Not everything goes smoothly, and when it doesn't go smoothly, how do I fix it with the least amount of effort?
I've come a long way with problem solving. I've come a long way with what I can do and how I can help other people out with what I've learned in this class.
After this program, I'd like to get a job with a contractor or own my own business or anything in the construction field.
My intentions after this program is to continue my education and I hope to get a job in a management field.
The junior year is more safety-based. You learn how to use the equipment. You do all your competencies, and the competencies teaches you what to do, how to do things, and so by the time you get to the senior year, it's more background knowledge base that we can get into. Green building, how you build things, you're going into the estimating, you're going into a little bit deeper. You don't have so much of the background information.
This program has benefited me because it shows me that what I can do and things that I'm capable of, and people say this is a male-based class, and it's nice to be one of the girls in this class who can be just as good as the boys.